How to empty out the Eureka Blaze 3-in-1 dust cup. What we're gonna do is empty out the dust cup. This is the part down here. The way you do that is you're gonna go ahead and press this button. It's gonna release this piece from that piece. Once that's done, inside you're gonna see a filter. Go ahead and grab that filter, remove it, and we're gonna go ahead and empty out this debris. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is grab the dust cup and go ahead and empty it out. Go ahead and just dump it in. As you can see now, it's empty. Okay, now that the pieces are clean, go ahead and insert everything back together. Inside, the dust container is nice and clean. There's no debris inside. So go ahead and put the filter back in. As you can see, it falls into place. That you insert this correctly. What I like to do is start from the bottom, way up. Once it's in, it's click. Make sure it's sealed completely. This will make sure that this will give the strongest suction. If this video helped, go ahead and like and subscribe.